Now let's take the derivative of, the integral of p raised to 4 times the square root of 5p raised to 5 minus 3 dp. So again, let's have our u substitution. Every time you will see this type of function, take note that what you will take as u is yung nasa square root or nasa parenthesis, yung mas malaki yung exponent. So in this case, let's have 5p raised to p raised to 5 minus 3, because as you can see, if you use u substitution, you have to derive the function. You have to derive yung ginamit nyong u. And every time you will derive it, magiging lesser yung kanyang exponent. So of course, we have to use yung mga higher exponent. So 5 times 5, 25. P raised to 4, the derivative of negative 3 is 0, and that is dp. So as you can see, we have here p raised to 4 dp. We also have p raised to 4 dp as your du. So dito, meron na tayong du. We just have to divide this one by 25, both sides, so that we can take off 25, and you can get the exact value of your, or the value of your p raised to 4 dp in terms of du. So that is du over 25. Okay, so substitute lang natin. Then that is now equal to, kasi ito is du over 5, so let's put du over 25 here. And this one, what is inside your square root is your u. So let's have your u square root is equivalent to raised to 1/2. So this 1 over 25 here, let's put it outside, and therefore it will become 1 over 25 integral of u raised to 1/2 du. So let's take the derivative of our function. So that is now 1 over 25. Derivative of u to the 1/2 is u raised to 3/2, because that's 1/2 plus 1, and then 3/2. Okay, tapos plus c. Then to rearrange this one, it will become 1 over 25. Itong 3/2 natin sa baba, we can actually write that one as 2/3 here, no? Okay, so then we will multiply that one here. So magiging ganito siya. So I will just, that will become 2 over 75, and then u raised to 3/2 plus c. Now let's substitute what is our 3/2. So what is our u, which is c, ayan, 5p squared. So let's write it here. Is equal to p over 75, tapos yung u, 5p raised to 5 minus 3 raised to 3/2 plus c. So we have now your final answer for this problem.